You rang the lady?
Yes, Parker.
Oh, Parker.
Yes, the lady.
I think I'd like to take a little while and Parker.
Yes, the lady.
Somewhere just around the countryside. Have you prepared the Rolls Royce? Is it ready for a run?
Oh yes, the lady. Quite all right. Everything's been done. I've lubricated all the cannons and I've polished up the gun.
Oh, Parker. Well done. International Rescue. Lady Penelope speaking.
Hi there, Penny. Jeff here.
Ready and waiting, Jeff. May I have details?
Sure thing, Penny. A foreign agent has managed to steal the small but very vital neutronic stabilizer unit out of Thunderbird 2. From information just received from the FBI through your Scotland Yard, he's proceeding down your motorway M4 after landing at London Airport. We need your help, Penny. Car is Black Saloon, make unknown. Registration number HPJ960C. Repeat, HPJ960C. Can you take care of it?
Yes, Jeff. Leave it to me.
You rang the lady?
Cancel the countryside run, Parker. We've just been called to an urgent assignment. Get out the Rolls Royce.
It's all ready and waiting at the door, the lady.
Very good, Parker.
The vehicle in question is now just ahead, the lady.
Very good, Parker.
Now, the lady.
Now, Parker.
Home, the lady.
Home, Parker.
That one, Hum.
Oh, Parker. Yes, baby.
Yes, the lady.
We'll have to clean the guns again, I fear. And Parker,
Yes, the lady.
I'm sorry to have messed up all your gear.
That's quite all right, the lady. He's not as bad as it appears. I've got a few more jobs to do, so don't have any fears. I've got to fill the gas bombs yet and shorten up the spears.
Oh, Parker. Well done. Oh, Parker.
Yes, the lady.
Well done.
Go on,